Hi guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can create an account in Steam. So the first step is to just download Steam, and once you're here you would be in this page. You can also create an account through the website. So the website is right here, so you can also do that, but if you install the app it would be easier since you would be using the app in order to play games. So once you're here, just look at the lower corner where you can see the option don't have a Steam account, create a free account. Go ahead and tap there, and now just type in your email. Type in your email again in order to confirm to your country of residence, and now just validate it. Just select the images with cars. Upon verify, you also need to make sure that you are older than 13 and agree to the terms of Steam subscriber agreement and Valve privacy policy. So go ahead and tap on continue. So you need to check your Gmail to verify. Tap on verify my email address, and now it will say that your email has been verified. So now just choose your Steam account's name, choose your password. So it says that you have successfully created the account. There you go. Now just go ahead and use your email that you just used to create an account. You sign it. Enter your password now. So it says that you're logging in, so it's loading your user data, and there you go. You have successfully logged in to your Steam account and have created a Steam account. So there you go guys. That's how you create a Steam account. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.